Let's make this coffee steam scene in Blender, and this is a museum of Mahmoud. First, you should see how to make cup and plate and coffee scene, and come back. Link in description. First add cube and scale it and move it like this. Add cylinder, scale it and move it. Make sure cylinder inside your cup. Choose your cube and add physics. Choose fluid, type is domain type is gas, resolution from 160 to 250. According to your computer, timescale is 0.8. Choose your cylinder, give it fluid physics, change type to flow, flow type to smoke, and flow behavior to inflow. Change initial temperature to 1.2 to make smoke rise faster. Change surface emission to 0.6. Enable texture. Go to texture. Click add. Choose from type clouds. Change contrast to 5. Return to cylinder. Choose texture you did. Put keyframe offset at frame 14 and go to last frame and change offset to 1.8 and keyframe it. Choose 2 keyframes and click T. Choose linear. Select your cube. Enable adaptive domain. Make threshold 0.01. Change heat to 1.5 to increase smoke. Enable dissolve time to 30. Choose your wanted frames. And from type, choose modular. Enable is resumable. Choose your cup. Make it fluid, physics. From type, choose effector. From ADED, force field. Choose wind. Rotate y-axis to 90. Scale and move wind like this. Change flow to 0. And strength to 0.05. Now back to your cube. And bake data. And wait. Now play. We have good result, but we need some changes. Select your domain cube and go to shading. Add new material. Remove this. Click. Shift. A to search. Choose emission. Drag emission to volume. Search for volume info and math. Drag density to value. Change add to multiply. Drag value to strength. Get light path. Drag camera ray to value. Copy math and change value to 10. Get color ramp. Make color of emission more grey than white. And play. Now you have your coffee steam. Subscribe now to watch more 3D magic.